What's up?
Hey guys.
She's over here pushing my head.
Welcome back.
Sure. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. So what you gotta say?
Nothing.
No, she don't gotta say nothing, right? Sugar, only reason she wanna make a video is because her makeup is dead and she thinks she looking real good.
Look at
which I ain't
it.
gonna hold you. She is looking she's
come
looking
closer.
kinda good.
I just look, the light's making me look so oily.
Yeah, but we wanted to adjust because a person commented, and I know that it's not only that person that's thinking the thing that the person commented. The person commented and said, "Why doesn't Ray wear his ring?" I know it's probably on a lot of
And
people's
I wear
mind.
mine like
Sugar wears her all the
religiously.
time because I
Yeah.
told her ass, "Don't let me see you take it off again." Aye. But I don't wear my ring because the when I was buying the rings, like this is a crazy story. When I
got the ring for him. I picked out the ring.
Baby, when I went to go buy the ring, Sugar didn't know nothing about it. Don't listen to Bonnie. Sugar didn't know nothing about it. I went to the place. They didn't have any rings in my size. Like, I didn't even know my size. Like, we literally tried everything, but they didn't have no rings in my size. And the person was a good saleswoman. She was a good saleswoman. And she caught my ass, basically. Because she sold it. She sold it really well. She was like, oh, the ring is good. And after you get married, you can always go somewhere and get the size changed. I'm like, okay. She really sold it really well. Me and my dumb ass fell for it. I got the ring. I didn't even like the ring that much, to be honest. I really didn't, because after we got the ring, Sugar didn't like it either, and we had to go back.
I didn't.
And Sugar got a different one, but the different one we got, that one still don't fit me, and it falls off my finger.
Was it any smaller?
I don't think so, baby. Because when we went to go get that one, the person gave us a thing to put on the inside. So they gave me like I forgot what it's called. I forgot the exact name.
Thing where you could tighten it, basically.
To tighten the ring, but it's uncomfortable. So it squeezes the inside of my finger, so it's really uncomfortable. The last time I wore it, I had hell trying to take it off because it was too tight. I know you can adjust it, but it's just really uncomfortable. It's not something that, and plus it shakes. The metal thing on the inside shakes, so it can fall off.
Yeah.
So I just don't wear it.
You were supposed to adjust it before the wedding.
We just never got around to doing it.
Never did it.
And since Sugar is so comfortable with hers is not too tight, not too loose. She's just perfect, so she don't care about mine.
I told him 7.
She just don't care about mine, so it's like Ray's just in the wind right now.
He should have known what he was getting the first time. You don't leave the store with a too big ring when you're in there. It's not like he was guessing my ring size and got it too big.
But it's not like I know a bunch of ring places to go get rings, you know? But I'm gonna get mine tightened because I want to wear my ring. And this is not even the right hand. This is my right hand. I don't know why I'm flashing this one. But I want to wear my ring, so when I get the right size, I'll definitely be wearing it 24/7, religiously, just like Sugar. Cause I'd be jealous. Aye. And look up, let's just admire. Don't look at my face, cause I'm kind of looking rough right now. Let's just admire my beautiful wife. Let's take a minute.
Thank you.
Careful, yeah. Careful. Okay, I'm gonna breathe, yo.
Alright, you jacked it. But yeah, he just wanted to basically, so you don't get no more questions about it, because I'm sure other people was thinking it, but that was just the first person to actually. And what was the person's name?
Boab Tree.
Boab Tree.
Aye. Boab Tree, big up yourself.
Yeah, that's a cool
Something just
name.
went on my lip. If something went on my lip, I apologize. I wear braces and like the food be coming out whenever. That's disgusting. I'm sorry. But big Boab Tree, big up yourself, isn't it? And guys, if you like this video, definitely drop a like and definitely subscribe, because guess what? We've been seeing like the subscriptions like going up. I don't know if y'all are watching the subscription. Why was y'all watching subscription stuff? But we've been watching every morning I wake up. As Sugar said, I get up every morning, I go on the computer, I'm watching the subscription number. And it's been going up, you know? So keep up the good work. If you like the stuff that we post, share it to your friends and tell them to subscribe also, or tell them to just check out the channel. And if they like it, they'll subscribe, you know? And if you think my wife is beautiful, subscribe to the channel. If you think I'm not really looking that handsome right now, but if you like the channel, basically just subscribe. We would really appreciate the support. Anything else, baby?
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Thanks
Boab Tree.
Boab Tree for asking that question.
Aye.
See y'all next time. Later guys. And